Hello friends, thank you for watching this video with me. This video is about a bagged GTI Volkswagen Golf MK4 on Mercedes rims. It's on air suspension, has Mercedes rims, it's that simple, clean tuning. You'll see all the change through the video. I hope you will see nice ideas and you will inspire from this project.
Owner of the car want to show his project to inspire you and for new ideas in your project. If you have any question about this car, you will find in the description a link to the owner of the car. In this way you will make new friends and you can change opinion and ideas. Next I will let you to see the video and I hope you will enjoy. Remember, all these videos on this channel is made only in collaboration with the car owner and only with his approval. So if you have a project with your car and you want to show that project here on this channel, you will find in the description all you need to contact me.
Did you know, writing a message when you drive increases your chance of being involved in a road accident 23 times?
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell. In this way you will know every time when I upload a new video. Bye bye.